Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to convert files into PDF. Use the Excel to save or convert your files to PDF so that you can share them or print them using the commercial print. Use the PDF format for files that you want to look the same on the most computers, have smaller font size and comply with the industry standards like resume, legal documents, newsletter, or files only intend to be read or printed professionally. Okay, let's start. Just click on the file tab. You can see here the save as. Just select the location to save this file. Change file name as you want. Okay, and change the save as a type as a PDF. Okay, and click on the save. That's it. File save in PDF. You can see here this is a PDF format. Okay, thank you.